Now see, this is the question. Is it visible now? It is asked in GATE 2016. It is asked in GATE 2016. One of the difficult question it is, because it is little bit tricky. Okay, little bit tricky here. So first you people try, then I will do. Very good. 2.32 is the answer. Very good, very good. 2.32. Now see, it is saying that, see, by seeing the diagram only, many students get scared. Now, no need to scare. See, if you'll see the approach, you will feel that it is a very easy question. Okay. It is saying that the diagram was this. The time complexity of this condition check is constant time except the recursive function. So recursive flowchart for recursive function is an. So for recursive function an, they have given the flowchart. They are asking you the worst case time complexity for this function an. When it will be going to be the worst case time complexity? When you are calling this a more number of times. So if you take the longest path, then you are going to get the worst case time complexity. If from this, if you are starting from, if you are starting from here, okay, and if you go there, then again there, then again this path, if you will use this path, then you are going to get the longest path. Then you are going to get the longest, because if you from here, if condition get there, you got just here, it get finished. So if you take the longest path, then only you are going to get the worst case time complexity. Okay. So if you are having a more function call, then only you are going to get worst case time complexity, because every time it is doing an, then an started, then an by 2, then again an by 2, again an by 2. So here you write, you write the time complexity, the time complexity, the time complexity of a recursive, a recursive of a recurrence, the time complexity of a recurrence relation. Hmm. Correct, Abhishek. Of a recurrence relation is the, here the worst case, is the worst case, worst case time complexity is the worst case time complexity, the worst case time complexity. First we have to, first we have to find out, first we have to find out, first we have to find out the number of, the number of function call, the number of function. First we have to find out the number of function call in worst case, in worst case from the flowchart. In worst case, what is going to be the number of function call? Okay, so start. So worst case, when it will happen, right? The worst case, the worst case will, the worst case will be, worst case will be when all the condition, when all the condition, when all the conditions, when all the conditions. So condition is diamond box. All the condition, that is the diamond boxes, is the diamond boxes turn out, turn out turn out towards non-returning, non-returning path, non-returning path. Okay, non-returning path, non-returning, non-returning path, taking the, taking the, in the longest, in the longest route. So in the longest path, how many function call is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we are going to get 5. So if you are done with the writing, then please let me know. I will go to the next slide. If you are done with the writing, then please let me know. We'll go to the next slide. write in the longest path, the longest path we have in the longest path we have five function. The longest path we have five function. In the longest path we have five function calls. That's why Tn is going to be your 5t n by 2, because here always the size of the function is going to reduce by n by 2, n by 2, then again n by 2, n by 2, n by 2, n by 2. So this Tn is having 5t n by 2. Okay, 5t n by 2 plus 1, the constant time for the comparison. So here also it is now in master theorem. Here a is equal to 5, which is greater than equal to 1. B is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. K is equal to, tell me, k is going to your 0. K is equal to 0, because n to the power k, when k is going to be 0, then only you are going to get 1. Now we'll compare a and b to the power k. A is your 5, b is your 2, k is your 0, which is greater than this case. If this is the case, if a is greater than b, okay, then Tn is going to your theta n to the power log a b. Okay, so theta into the power log a is your 5, b is your 2. So in log 5, 2 is going to be 2.32. In gate exam you are going to get a virtual calculator, so you can apply the virtual calculator there. Okay, you can apply the virtual calculator there. Understood? Anyone is still having any doubt? Can I go to the next slide? Anyone is still having any doubt? Can I go to the next? So alpha is your 2.32. भास्कर इज सिंह यस सर, मैं रिकरेंस में मिस्टेक कर दिया. हाँ, यहाँ सिर्फ रिकरेंस में ही ध्यान देना है. जस्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द रिकरेंस, then everything will be fine. In gate, questions look difficult, but if you know the approach, then it will be easy. Okay, so you should also know along with the concept how to approach the question. Okay, that's why we are solving now so many questions. Today we are going to finish all the previous last 30 years question.